Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from the Coinmarketcap to Trustwallet. First things first, what exactly is the Coinmarketcap about? Now, the Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in a rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is pretty simple, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So now that we know what the CoinMarketCap is about, let's hop into how we can create an account in the CoinMarketCap. Now launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type the coinmarketcap.com. This is going to take you to the official website for CoinMarketCap. At the top right corner of the website, you're going to find the login button, which is to log in using an existing account, and the sign up button, which is to create a new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in CoinMarketCap. So now the real let's hop into today's task, which is how to transfer money from the CoinMarketCap to Trustwallet. So from this homepage, let's hop onto the top right corner of the screen and go ahead and click on the profile icon. Here you have an extended menu which says watch list, portfolio, my community page, settings, and logout. So go ahead and click on portfolio, and that's going to take you to the portfolio window. Now that we're here, I'd like you to know something real quick. You cannot transfer real money from CoinMarketCap into any application or whatsoever. I mean, CoinMarketCap does not have the ability to do that. That's because the CoinMarketCap is more of an analysis application. It just helps you to stay abreast with what is happening in the cryptocurrency space so that it can help you make more informed decisions. So all of those balances that you see, they are not real money. It's just to actually help you keep track of your crypto to see how it's performing and how it's doing. It also helps you see where you can get crypto depending on the rates and just whatever is happening within the crypto. All right, but there's something that you can definitely do. You can add the balance from your Trust Wallet into CoinMarketCap by just linking it together. Here's how you can do that. Just head over to this create portfolio option right here, and over here you're gonna have to click on connect your wallet. So once you do that, go ahead and click a portfolio name, right, for this portfolio that you want to create, and over here where you have wallet address, all you need to do is to head over to your Trust Wallet. Now, if you have any of these coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, even down to Cardano, if you have any of them, because these are the supported networks, right, in CoinMarketCap. If you have any of them, go ahead to the Trust Wallet and copy the wallet address for any of those coins. Now, once you copy the wallet address for the coin that you have balance on, go ahead and paste your wallet address in here. Now, after doing that, go ahead and click on create connection, and you see that your balance in that coin through Trust Wallet is going to be synced in here automatically. So then once it does that, you're going to find your portfolio, the portfolio that you added here using the portfolio name. Now, just like this portfolio that I have here, that's what you're going to see. You're going to see the balance. Once you see the total balance, you're now going to be able to track the all-time profit, the best performer, the worst performer. Here's the history, so you can see how it's doing. You can check the performance and can check the allocation based on the market trend. Now, all the way down, you can find the price. You can find what it is at the past 1 hour, past 24 hours, past 7 days holdings. You can even check the average buy price. You can check profit and loss, and can even check more actions. All right, so this is what you can do. Just keep track of your coin and see how your coin is doing in the market. But you cannot transfer real money from CoinMarketCap to Trust Wallet. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.